Hi everybody, Dustin Schaffer here, one of your 60-hour Keto Reboot coaches, and I hope you're as excited as I am about the 60-hour Keto Reboot and why it's so important, right? So our existence as humans, we went through natural reboots. Our bodies naturally went through this process. And so what science has proven now that this is very important. We need to go through a reboot at least once or twice every 30 days to really maximize your health, maximize your performance, or maximize your results if you are looking for better. So it doesn't matter if you're looking for fat loss, if you're looking for energy or focus or human cognition, or just pursuing better. You need to go through a 60-hour Keto Reboot to really maximize that effect. And so what's in it and how is that all gonna work? Well, first off, we're gonna do this together as a community, as a team. So we have nearly 100 years of coaching that's gonna help collaborate and guide you through your journey to give you the best tools and resources to help maximize this process. Also to encourage you through the challenges of eliminating food for 60 hours, which is new to a lot of us, but it's a very natural state for your body to go through. So as we kick into the 60-hour Keto Reboot, well, the first thing that's gonna happen is your body's gonna go through a natural glycogen reduction, right? So your body's gonna deplete all the glycogen stores. Through that process, what we want to do and what we found to be the most effective way of doing this through this process is to add tools to that so your body doesn't go through this lull and drop, so you can still be an effective mom, dad, parent, or worker, or athlete, right? So we're going to add an unbelievable product, the Keto OS NAT, which is going to provide Pure Therapeutic Ketones, 100% bioavailable, all natural ketones into your body to help you maximize your focus, stay on target throughout the entire day, maintain the energy that you're looking for so that you don't go through this lull of what a normal fasting state would require. But we're going to combine that with this unbelievable tool, which is called our Signal OS. And Signal OS is a tool that can help repair DNA. It's been proven to repair DNA and help with telomere lengthening, which is a great tool for basically an anti-aging component to help you maximize the long-term effect of doing these 60-hour Keto Reboots. But in conjunction with that, it's going to help with appetite suppressant, and in correlation, and when you combine the two, it actually improves synergistically for them both to work even more effectively. So then we combine that with the Better Broth, which is one of my favorite products. It's an unbelievable tool that helps you repair your tissue. It also helps you maintain your muscle mass so that you're not depleting out your system so you can stay strong throughout the day. And then we wrap up the day with our unbelievable Keto Calm Tea. And that's gonna help us shut down, recover, and help that repair process. Now, as we do the 60-hour Keto Reboot, the key here is so your body can rest from food. It can rest from the digestion process. It also gets to recover, it gets to repair, and gets to re-energize so that when you come out of the reboot, you can go after your goals with vengeance. You can go after your goal to accomplish what you're looking for. It's part of your pursuit. And so within our community, and stay within our community to help you through that journey. And so we've helped tens of thousands of people completely change their life utilizing these technologies. And now it's just your turn to step up and want to go and pursue better for you. So come join our community, come check this out. It's an unbelievable resource. We have guides that are going to guide you along the way. We have coaches that are going to basically help hold your hand as we challenge you to pursue your better. So looking forward to it. Can't wait for you to be in our next Keto Reboot group and the next challenge. Thank you all.